You are going to deposit the cash into bank. Bank and cash is involved here. So this is considered as a contra entry. The difference between single column and double column cash book is one addition column called discount. You are not going to deposit in the bank. So the bank amount will not increase at now. So you will write the 2250 for the cash column.
Hello everyone, I am Meghana from the Department of Commerce, lecturing in Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. We are in the session 8 of Unit 2, subject Accountancy. In today's session, let us start with 3-column cash book. So let us start with today's session.
Let us continue with the problems on single column cash book and double column cash book and problems on 3-column cash book. According to your syllabus, you have only single column cash book and 3-column cash book. So just give an introduction about double column cash book. So let's start with second problem on single column cash book. Enter the following transaction in the cash book of Rohan Traders 2005. December 1st, cash in hand 27,500. December 5, cash received from Neetu 12,000. December 8, insurance premium paid 2,000. Furniture purchase 6,000. Sold goods for cash 16,500. Purchase goods from Naman for cash rupees 26,000. Cash paid to Rohini 3,200. Sold goods to Kanika for cash 18,700. Then rent paid and salary paid. Cash deposit into bank. Here, cash in hand. This is the balance brought down from the last month. So, this is the receipt and cash received from Neetu. This is receipt. Insurance premium paid. Here, paid. That is payment. Then furniture purchase. Purchase is a payment. Cash is going out. Then sold goods for cash. When you made a sale, cash is coming in. So this is receipt. And purchase goods from Naman for cash. Here, purchase for cash. That means cash is going out. Receipt. Then cash paid to Rohini. Payment. Purchase goods from Naman, cash is going out. This is payment. Cash paid to Rohini, payment. Sold goods to Kanika for cash, sales, cash is coming in, receipt. Then cash deposit into bank. Here cash is going out. So, payment. You paid to bank. Cash is deposit into bank means cash is going out. Payment. Rent paid. Payment. Salary paid. Payment. First, you need to identify all the receipts and payment. Classify the receipts and payment. Then start doing the problem. In single column cash book, we have only one column to record the amount. So, this is the solution. In cash book, book of Rohan Trader cash book. So, cash book in the book of Rohan Trader, debit and credit. In the debit side, you will record all the receipts and credit side all the payments. First, December 1st, cash in hand rupees 27,500. That means cash balance. Balance brought down from the last month. So here, this is the receipt. Receipt side, debit side. December 1st, balance brought down 27,500. Next, December 5, cash received from Neetu. This is the receipt. So write in the debit side of cash book as Neetu 12,000. Again, insurance premium paid. This is the payment. So write in the credit side. December 8, insurance premium paid rupees 2,000. Next, furniture purchase. This is the payment. So write in the credit side. Furniture account or purchase account rupees 6,000. December 10th, purchase 6,000. Next, sold goods for cash 16,500. Sales. This is the receipt. Cash is coming in. So, write in the debit side as sales. Sales rupees 16,500. Next, purchase goods from Naman for cash rupees 26,000. Purchase. This is the payment. So, write in the credit side. Purchase. Purchase rupees 26,000. Next, Cash paid to Rohini. Here cash is going out, payment. So write in the credit side, Rohini 3,200. Just write the date. Then for Rohini you are paying, write Rohini 3,200. Next, December 25th, sold goods to Kanika for cash. When you made a sale, cash is coming in. This is the receipt. So write in the receipt side, that is debit side, sales account. Sales rupees 1,000, 18,700. Sales 18,700. Next, cash deposit into bank. Here cash is going out. When you are going to deposit the cash in bank, cash is going out from your business. So this is the payment. So write bank account rupees 5,000. Next, rent paid 4,000. Rent paid 4,000 payment. So write December 30th, rent 4,000. Again, you paid salary. Salary 7,000. This is the payment, right in the debit side. Salary rupees 7,000. Next, after finishing all the transaction in the cash book, just make a total, all the debit side and credit side. All the debit side, you will get 74,700. So write both the side, whichever is higher. So 74,700, 74,700 both the side. Then write the difference as balance carry down. Balance carry down 21,500. The balance carry down should be brought down for the next month. Here December 31st balance carry down is 21,500. It should be brought down for the next month, that is January 1st, 2016. Balance brought down should be 21,500. This all about single column cash book. In single column cash book, you will record only the cash transaction. Discount and check transaction will not enter in the single column cash book. So this is mainly used for a small business concern. They will not allow discount and the bank transaction. So this is the simple or single column cash book. Here you will record all the receipts and payment. Receipts in the debit side and payments in the credit side. This is all about single column cash book. Next, double column cash book. Double column cash book means this is the same way of single column cash book. In the same way, in single column cash book, you have only one column for the amount, that is cash. In double column cash book, one more column called discount. Discount. In double column cash book, one more column with the addition to the amount, that is discount. If any discount received, you will record in the receipt side, and any discount allowed is recorded in the credit side. So addition one column is discount. So all the things remain same except discount column. So the difference between single column and double column cash book is one addition column called discount to record the discount transaction. So here only cash plus discount is allowed to record in the cash book. So that is the difference between the single column and double column cash book. Next, triple column cash book or three column cash book. Three column cash book is also referred triple column cash book, which has three money columns on both the receipts and payment side to record the transaction involving cash, bank and discounts. In the single column cash book, we have only one column for amount, that is cash. Then in double column cash book, we have two columns. One is for cash and another one for discount. In three column cash book, we have a three money column on both the side, debit and credit, that is receipts and payment side, to record the transaction involve cash, bank and discount. In single column, we have only one column to record cash. In double column, cash plus discount. In three column, we have cash, bank and discount. Next, a three column cash book is usually maintained by a large firm which make and receive payments in cash as well as by bank, which frequently receives and allow discounts. It is mainly used by a large business concern. They use both the bank transaction as well as the cash transaction, and they allow and receives the discount. So in single column, double column, triple column cash book, the difference is only amount column to record the amount. So here you have 3 column to record the money. So this is the format of 3 column cash book. In single column cash book, we have only 1 column for cash. Here we have bank plus discount. This is discount. Again, both the side, debit and credit side, we have 3 column, discount, cash and amount. This 3 column is meant to record amount. So here you will record the date, then description about the transaction, receipt number, LF ledger folio, then discount, cash, bank. Again, date, description, voucher number. Here you will record voucher number, then LF, discount, cash and bank. Only the difference is amount column. Let us start with the first problem on triple column cash book, 3 column cash book. First, on April 1st, 2017, Harsha store cash book showed debit balance of cash rupees 1,550 and bank rupees 13,575. That means Harsha store, you are going to prepare a cash book of Harsha store. So his cash book shows the debit balance. Debit balance means receipt side, debit balance of cash. We have 3 columns to record the amount. First, cash. It shows cash balance of 1,500. That means balance brought down, cash rupees 1,550 and bank rupees 13,575. That means cash balance 1,550 and bank balance 13,575. During the month of April, the following business was transacted. You are required to prepare the cash book April 2017. So you are going to prepare the cash book for the month of April 2017 in the books of Harsha store. So you have prepared Harsha store cash book, 3 column cash book. First, this is April 2nd, purchased office typewriter for cash rupees 750. Cash sales rupees 1,315. First, just consider this. Purchase office typewriter for cash rupees 750. Purchase. So, payment. So, write in the credit side. Typewriter, you purchase for cash. So, consider cash. This is the cash purchase. In the credit side, April 2nd, typewriter, purchase typewriter for rupees 750. Your purchase for cash, so write in the cash column 750. This transaction is over. So before moving to transaction, just write the balance brought down. So it shows the debit balance of cash rupees 1,550 and bank rupees 13,575. So record balance brought down April 1st, balance brought down cash rupees 1,550 and bank rupees 13,575. So we have record this and this. First, purchase transaction. Again, cash sales rupees 1,315. First one is purchase transaction. Again, the same date you made a cash sales rupees 1,315. So cash sales, right? This is the receipt. So in the receipt side, that is debit side, sales 1,315. This is cash sales. Amount should be written in the cash column. Here, sales in cash column, right? 1,315. This over. Next, April 7, deposited cash into bank. Here, in journal entry, depositing cash into bank. What is the journal entry for depositing the cash into bank. Normally in single column cash book, in the last problem, cash deposit into bank, we just write depositing cash means cash is going out. So payment side, you will write bank account, amount should be written in the amount column. So here we have cash and bank. So we can record both the cash and bank transaction in cash book itself. So this type of transaction is called contra entry. That means both the cash and bank transaction involved in the same transaction. So here you are going to deposit the cash into bank. Bank and cash is involved here. So this is considered as a contra entry. We need to record twice. One for bank transaction, another one for cash transaction. Normally the journal entry for depositing cash into bank account debtor, bank account debtor to bank account debtor to cash account. This is the journal entry for this transaction. So now we are going to write it in the cash book. First, just consider the bank transaction. Just consider the bank transaction and post into the cash book. So here cash account is debited. Write in the debit side of the cash book, against which it is credited. So bank is debited to cash account. Write cash account rupees 500 in the cash book. April 7, cash account rupees 500. So you are going to deposit in the bank. So amount should be written in the bank column. Here bank is debited. So write in the bank column cash rupees 500. Here this is the contra entry. Write within the bracket C. That means this is the contra entry. Again bank is over. Now we record the bank transaction. One more, we have cash transaction. That means cash account. So for cash you need to record in the cash book. So cash is credited here. Cash is going out. This is the payment. So for this you need to enter in the cash book. So write in the payment side bank account. Write in the payment side bank account. Same date, April 7th, by bank account. That means in the credit side, payment side, bank account rupees 500. April 7th, bank account. This is the contra entry within the bracket, right? C, that is contra entry. This is the cash transaction. Write in the cash column rupees 500. So for the contra entry, twice we need to enter. Once in the debit side and again in the credit side. One for the cash transaction and another one for the bank transaction. Mainly contra entry means a bank and cash involved in a single transaction. So this contra entry over. Next, April 10th, received from A. Karthik a check for rupees 2,550 in part payment of his account not deposited. That means received a check from Karthik. You will receive the check from Karthik but not deposited. Consider this. Not deposited means just you will receive the cash and keep it with you. So for this transaction, received check from the Karthik is considered equal to the cash received. So immediately you can deposit in the bank and withdraw the money. So it is equal to cash received. So you will consider the check received from Karthik is considered as a cash received. So here received, that is the receipt. So write in the receipt side, that is debit side. Receipt, that is debit side. Write Karthik, A. Karthik, rupees 2,550. Here you are not going to deposit in the bank. So the bank amount will not increase at now. So you will write the 2,250 for the cash column. when you are going to deposit into the bank, that time the bank amount will increase. At that time you are going to record the amount in the bank column. So now consider this as a cash received, equal to cash received. So amount should be written in the cash column. If the check is received and not a deposit in the bank, not deposit in the bank means you need to record the amount in the cash column. So write April 10th, Karthik in the cash column 2550. April 10th, that is account receivable A Karthik rupees 2550 in the cash column. You need to write in the cash column, not in the bank column. So this over. Next, paid by check for the merchandise purchase worth rupees 1005. That means payment, write in the payment side. You're paying through check. So your bank amount will reduce. So in the bank column, write 1005 rupees. Paid by check. Date. Date is 16. 16. Purchase and paid by bank. So amount in the bank column rupees 1005. April 16 purchase and paid through check. So amount should be written in the bank column. This transaction is finished. Then April 20th deposit into the bank the check received from Karthik. So here on April 10th you will receive the check from Karthik and considered cash received. Check received is equal to cash received. So amount is written in the cash column. Now on April 20th you are going to deposit the check. You are going to deposit the check into bank. Now the check is yours. So you are going to deposit the check in bank. So this is the transaction between bank and cash. That means when you deposit the check into bank, the amount will credit it to your account or you will withdraw the cash. So this is the relationship between your bank and cash. So bank and cash is involved in this transaction. So this is the contra entry. Now you all know what is contra entry, how you should pass the entry for this contra entry. First write the journal entry for this depositing check into bank. First just pass the journal entry for this transaction depositing check into bank. So check is going out, bank is the receiver of check. So bank account debtor, bank account debtor to bank account debtor to cash account. Here first consider bank account. We need to record both the cash and bank transaction. First consider this bank. So here bank is debited. So write in the receipt side or debit side cash account to cash account. On April 20th, right, cash, this is the contra entry, write C within bracket, amount should be written in the bank column, amount, for amount they are not given the amount, but you should see the last transaction of Karthik. Here the Karthik, he give the check for rupees 2550, so take the amount 2550 for April 20th transaction. So write 2550 in the bank column. Now this bank transaction we have recorded. Now cash, here cash is credited, so write in the credit side bank account, write in the credit side bank account. April 20th bank account, this is contra entry, so write C for the bank, then amount should be written in the cash column. So we have recorded for cash as well as for the bank. So here this is over. Next, April 22nd, received from customer a check for rupees 775 In full settlement of his account, not deposited. In the same way for the last transaction, here, received check from Karthik, not yet deposited. So here you will receive the check from customer but not deposited. So this is equal to cash received. This is the receipt. So write in the debit side, receipt side, accounts receivable or customer, rupees 775 amount in the cash column. Here, account receivable, April 22nd, account receivable you will receive from your customer, rupees 775 rupees check but not deposited. So considered as a cash received, write in the cash column. Next, sold merchandise to Sweet Brothers for rupees 1500 who paid by check which was deposited into bank. Here, which was deposited into bank, that means sold to merchandise Sweet Brothers. Soon after the transaction is over, you are going to deposit the check into bank. So here the bank amount will increase. So here it is directly treated as bank transaction. So sales account amount should be written in the bank column. In the last transaction, you have not deposited. So not deposited means equal to cash. So amount should be written in the cash column. Here, which was deposited into bank, so amount should be written in the bank column. April 24th, sales, you made a sale and check is deposited into bank. So amount should be written in the bank column, 1500. If it is not deposited, amount should be written in cash column. So this transaction is finished. Then paid creditor as Salman rupees 915 by check. That means you are going to pay. This is the payment for the creditor, 915 by check. That means through bank you are paying for creditors. So write payment side, Jan to April 26th, account payable, that is Salman. Through bank you are paying. So in bank column write amount 915. Next, April 28th, deposited into bank the check of customers of worth rupees 775 was dated 22nd April. That means on 22nd we received check from customer but not deposited. That 775 rupees check is now you are going to deposit in the bank. So here now the check is yours, so you are going to deposit the check in bank. This is the transaction between the bank and cash in the same like 20th transaction. Deposit into bank. Here also you are going to deposit check into bank. So the entry is same. Bank account data to bank is the receiver of check. Bank account data to cash account. So first you need to record for the bank transaction. Bank is debited. So write in the debit side or receipt side of cash book to cash account. Amount should be written in the bank column on April 20th to cash 775. Now it's finished. For this again cash is credited. So write in the credit side by bank account rupees 775. Same date April 20th, bank account 775, amount should be written in the cash column. Next, paid wages by cash 500 and salary rupees 1000 by bank. Both are payments, so write in the payment side, that is credit side. Wages 500, wages by cash, amount should be written in cash column. 29th, wages 500, wages paid through cash, so 500 in the cash column. Again on the same day, salary through bank, paid salary 1000 by bank, so amount in the bank column rupees 1000, amount in the bank column rupees 1000. Next, April 30th, draw from bank for office use 250. Draw from bank office use. That means you are withdrawing money from the bank for the office purpose but not it used. So withdraw cash from the bank. This transaction is withdrawing cash from the bank. And personal use. That means you are using for a personal purpose. Personal purpose is considered as drawings. Drawings. Here, first consider this. Draw from bank for the office purpose. You are withdrawing from the bank. That means cash is withdrawn from the bank. Cash and bank is involved. So, this is the contra entry. Withdrawing cash from the bank. So, first record the transaction. Journal entry for this transaction. Withdraw the cash from bank means cash account debtor. Cash account debtor to bank account. Here cash is coming in bank and bank is the giver. So cash account debtor to bank account. So now start post into cash account. So now write in the cash book. First consider this cash account. Here cash is debited. So write in the debit side, that is receipt side, to bank account. To bank account rupees 250. Amount should be written in the bank column. So write bank account. Amount should be written in the cash column. April 30th first post this cash transaction in the cash book. Here cash is debited. So write in the debit side, that is receipt side, bank account. Bank account rupees 250. Amount in the cash column. So amount in the cash column. Bank account amount in the cash column rupees 250. Next, post this transaction bank account. Here bank is credited. So write in the credit side or payment side. Payment side to buy cash account. Buy cash account rupees 250. Amount in bank column. April 30th cash account amount in the bank column. Amount in bank column. Next, last one for personal purpose. Personal purpose means withdrawing cash for the personal purpose. So here just drawing is an expense. So cash is going out. Payment. So write in the payment side. By drawings rupees 150. By drawings rupees 150 amount in the bank column. You are withdraw from the bank rupees 150 for the personal purpose. So amount in the bank column 150. Now after record all the transaction. Now we finished all the transaction. So now make a total. Make a total of all the cash and bank. Right? Whichever is higher. So 6,450 of debit side cash balance. Right? Both the side 6,450. 6,450 and bank balance of debit side 18,900, 18,900, 18,900. Right? Both the side debit and credit side. Now find the difference between the debit and credit side. First, total of debit side 6,450 and total of debit side cash. Just find the difference. 1,365 is the difference. So it is considered as balance carry down. In the same way, find the difference for bank also. First, make a total of both the debit and credit of bank. Then find the difference. It is considered as balance carry down. Balance carry down should be brought down for the next month. That is May 1st. May 1st balance brought down 1,365 and 15,580. So this all about 3-column cash book. The difference is we have 3 amount column. In addition, one more concept, contra entry. Here you will record all the cash transaction, bank transaction as well as discount. In this problem, you don't have any discount. So this column is blank. So if any discount received, you will record in the discount received in the debit side and discount allowed in the credit side. So all the discount should be recorded in the receipt side. So that is the difference between single column and 3-column cash book. So this is all about today's session. Let's meet in the next session and continue with the one more problem on 3-column cash book. So until then, keep watching. Thank you.